I sold my car to buy Doge. Now, this could be your last opportunity. This might legit be your last opportunity, the last bull run for you guys to actually, the last cycle for you guys to actually make a significant amount of money inside of cryptocurrency. Now, a lot of you guys know I've been doing cryptocurrency for some time now, right? So I've been loading up cryptocurrency. I told you guys I've done the research. I looked at the cycles. I've done predictions and everything like that. I usually even mine cryptocurrency. So I've been in it for a while, right? But this might be the actual last opportunity for you to take a little bit of money and turn it into a large lump sum of money, because cryptocurrency is never going to be the same after this. The money, the prices are going to go so high that you can no longer invest a small amount of money and 10x it just like that. This might be the last opportunity. Now, you guys know I've been buying Dogecoin. I've been investing $20 every single day inside of Dogecoin for about the last 180 days or so. So I'm up on that. You guys know I'm up on that. If you haven't seen the video, I'll drop it right here or right there. That link is gonna be up there. Check that out. But a little while ago, let me show you guys, because you guys think I'm all talk, right? I sold my car to buy Doge, and I said it inside of my threads on Instagram, because you guys know that I picked up the Tesla. So I sold my old car. The money that I had from that car when I sold it, I put it inside of Dogecoin. So I'm not all talk. I'm not all talk. I actually do what I say I'm gonna do. And I told you guys, scary money don't make no money. And you guys need to drop that inside the chat. So here we are inside of my Threads account. Let's scroll. The very first, I'm telling you guys, the very first thread that I ever posted on Threads, Instagram Threads, whatever you call it. I said, I bet you won't sell that BMW for $60,000. Go pick up a Honda for $25,000 and use that extra $35,000 and put inside a Dogecoin. And then come back and comment how much you make in 2 years. Or are you worried about what people think about what you drive? Are you listen, I said it was gonna be the last time. Are you willing to still have a car? You're still gonna have a car. You just won't have a BMW. You're gonna have a Honda, right? Are you worried about what people drive about you? Or are you willing to take that risk? Stop being scared. Scared money don't make no money, and throwing this out of Dogecoin. And I said this back on 3/20/2024. And then we had an update in June. On June 7, 2024, I said if you would have taken that $35,000, you would have 230,000 Dogecoin worth, and it would be $33,629. So right at that time, you would have lost a little bit money 3 months later. Then we had another update on 11/6/2024. If you had taken that same $35,000 and you would have 230,000 Dogecoin, and the coins would be worth $45,000. So you would have made $10,000 in about 8 months. Well, let's take that same 230,000 Dogecoin and see what it is worth today. So right now we would have invested that 230,279 into Doge. That's how much we would have from selling our car for 60, picked up a Honda, and invested that other $35,000 into Doge. That $35,000 will be worth $89,380 at the time of the recording of this video. One time Doge did reach up to 42 cents. So you would have been close to $91,000, and you could have bought any kind of car you wanted if you was just not scared. Now I know what you're saying. Did you do it, Z? Did you do it? Yes, I did. Listen, I got the Tesla. I sold my car. My car wasn't worth $35,000. It's around $10,000. So let me show you exactly how that played out. All right, so here's my other account. Doge, man, listen, when Doge got up to $41,000, it was crazy. Now this is my account. Doge is at 38,000 at the time of the recording of this video. Who knows? By the time you guys are watching this video, it could be back under 30 cents or it could be up to 50 cents. Who knows? That is the crazy part about Doge. But as you guys can see, let's scroll down. I'm up 142%. This is separate from me investing $20 every single day inside of Doge as an experiment for you guys. This is me taking that $10,000, investing inside of Doge when I did. And my average cost was 15 cents. 15 cents got me 60,659 Dogecoins. So right now, my account value with just $10,000 is at $23,415, and I'm up $13,789. Now, at one point when Doge did get up to $41,000, I did take a screenshot. Let me show you this. Okay, this is when Doge was up to 41 cents. I was up $15,000. So like I keep telling you guys, it was a calculated risk for me. Big risk, big reward, but I did have some calculations behind it, a theory behind it, and it worked out. So like I keep telling you guys, scary money don't make no money. Drop that in the chat. If you guys do want to join my Patreon, that link is going to be down in the description. That link is going to be down in the comment section. You join the Patreon, I drop all my investing trades and courses and everything, and 3 pro day traders in there that had a 2,400% gain in one trade. If you want to be a part of that, if you want to be a part of the community, I'm gonna leave a link to Patreon down in the description, so you guys be sure to check that out. Back to Robinhood. Right now, I'm still not selling at 38 cents. I told you guys what I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell a little bit at 50 cents. I'm gonna sell pretty much all of it at $1. Even though I think Doge can really get to $1 this bull run. If it do, that would put me from $10,000 all the way up to $60,000 in profit, just from me making a one-time investment, because I wasn't scared of the market. It is a calculated risk. Cryptocurrency is scary. It is dangerous. I'll tell you, a lot of people that start to invest inside of cryptocurrency is going to lose money if they don't know what they're doing. Would I buy Dogecoin at 38 cents? No, I would not buy at 38 cents. Even though I do believe that it will eventually get to 50 cents, I would not buy at 38 cents. Hell, even when you're watching this video, it might be even lower than 38 cents. But here's the plan. This is how you guys can make a little bit of money inside the cryptocurrency market, so you're not scared. If Dogecoin goes from 38 cents, whenever you see the 10-cent drop, even Bitcoin is at like $93,000 right now. Bitcoin is 100% without a doubt, it's going to have a big drop coming up soon. Is the bull market over? No, it's not over. But when you see Dogecoin, let's say it's at 38 cents, let's say it goes up to 45 cents. If it goes for 45 cents and then have that big drop all the way down to 35 cents, lose 10 cents, I will buy in when it have that 10-cent drop. So even if it goes to even right now, I'm saying I would not buy at 38. Nope. I wouldn't buy at 38. It's too expensive for me. But if it goes to an all-time high of 48 cents, and then let's say a week or two later, it goes from 48 cents all the way back down to 38 cents, that's when you get back in on cryptocurrencies after the next big drop. The big drop have not happened yet. Every bull run, the stock runs up, and then there's going to be a major drop, and then the stock runs up again. It might be another big drop, and then the stock runs up again, and then the bull run is over, and then it's just going to drop. If you guys want to know when the bull run is going to be over, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any crucial information. But like I said, guys, I ain't gonna say I told you so, but you seen it in the threads. I'm not making up anything. I told you in the threads. I had this information months and months, 11 months ago, 8 months ago. I told you guys, if you wasn't scared, you guys would be in major profit right now. So right now on Dogecoin, I am up $13,000. At one point I was up $15,000. If it ever get to 50 cents, $1, I'm going to take that money and do some fun stuff with it. But yeah, guys, I had to give you a quick update on, potentially the biggest opportunity in our lifetime the biggest opportunity that's left in our lifetime to make a significant amount of money with cryptocurrency. So just to make this clear, if you have $1,000 inside of your bank, do not go take that $1,000 and invest it inside of Dogecoin or cryptocurrency. You will probably lose that $1,000. But if you have $1,000 invested inside of your bank, you could take $50 and invest inside of cryptocurrency. That way, if you do lose everything, you're not going to be out on the streets just because your account went from $1,000 to $950. So if you got $10,000 inside your portfolio, you could go invest $500, right? Or if you got $100,000 inside your portfolio, you could go take 1%, 2%, 3% of your portfolio, invest inside cryptocurrency. Do not put all of your eggs inside of cryptocurrency, because I promise you, 5% of your portfolio invested inside of cryptocurrency can earn you way more than the whole portfolio itself, because you could turn that 5% and 10x that, 20x that, 30x that in one bull run from cryptocurrency. So you do not have to invest your full portfolio. I do not want you guys to lose money. Also, if you made it to the end of this video, do not fall for any of the scammers down inside the comment section. Whenever I post cryptocurrency content, it's gonna be scammers down there. Remember, my name has the little check mark next to it. Don't reply to any other comments don't reply to any other comments trying to sell you anything, ask you questions, or buy anything. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section after you drop. Go ahead and drop Scary Money Don't Make No Money. Are you still scared of cryptocurrency? If you're still scared of cryptocurrency, let me know why. And if you're already invested inside of cryptocurrency, I'm sure that you have made a little bit, if not a significant gain, because you guys was in on it early before the news and the shade room and everything. Your grandpa started picking it up, because by the time your grandpa know about Bitcoin, the bull run is probably coming to an end. But yeah, you need to get in early before it's too late. But yeah, guys, that's it. Zeke, bring you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.